Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about word problems. I'm going to explain this topic on questions. So our first question is saying that translate each of the following into algebraic language. And the first one is A is 1 more than B. That means C is equal sign. So you will say that A equals to 1 more than means plus. You will say B plus 1. That's it. And for the other one, x is 2 less than y. The same story. Look, is equal. You will say just x equals to 2 less than means subtraction. That will be y minus 2. That's it. And for the other one, the question is saying b is 1/3 of a. So you will say b equals to 1/3 can be like this 1 over 3 times a, or it can be a over 3. These two of them are the same thing. So that will give me a over 3. And the other one, x is twice the product of a and b. See, the question is saying x is twice of the product of a and b. Not just A or B, A and B, both of them. That will be like this, AX equals to twice, 2 times, and the product of this and this. We will open the bracket, A times B, close the bracket. For this product, you don't have to put these two brackets, brackets open and close it. So, but if it was written like the sum of, you would need to put those brackets. That's why, in case to not confuse, I put for those two numbers too, product of them too. All right. So now let's have a look. Other question. The other question is saying that derive linear equations from the following and then solve the equation. So the first question: when a is added to the product of x and 5, the answer is 43. 8 will be added to product of x and 5. Product of x and 5 is going to be 5 times x. Add means addition, as you know, plus 8. The answer is will be equals to 43. And then we are going to use your information from linear equation. Take this one to the other side as subtraction. It will give you 5x equals to 43 minus 8, which is going to be 5x. Remember, 5x plus 5 times x equals to 35, and then this 5 goes to the other side as division. So x will be 35 divided by 5, x will be 7. And the next question is when the sum of a and 6, sum means addition, divided by 3, the answer is 7. See, you are going to need to open the bracket for the sum of b and 6. You will say b plus 6 and divided by 3. It could be like this or it could be like this. b plus 6 over 3. The answer is 7. And you could put like this 7. So this and this are correct. So let's continue with this one. You will need to take this one to the other side as multiplication. B plus 6 equals to 3 times 7, which is going to be b plus 6 equals to 21. Then the 6 to the other side as subtraction. B will be 21 minus 6, which is 15. All right, when 20 is subtracted from 1/10 of a number. See, in previous questions, they gave you like that. So, such as this, let's say, so when the sum of b and 6, there was the letter. But for this question, there is no letter anything. The question is saying a number. Now, if you don't know what is the number, you will give any letter instead of that. You can say X, Y, Z, A, B, C. It's up to you totally. Let me say for this number X. Now, let's read again. When 20 is subtracted from 1/10, 1/10 was 1 over 10 times a number X. It was like this, or X over 10. You can use any of them, but I want to use this one. So that will be 1/10 X over 10. See, notice there the question said from. That's why this 1/10 is going to be on the left side, this side, and minus 20. 20 will be on the right side, this side. If it was written like by something like this, it is totally different. It is written from. Whatever is saying from will be this side, left side, and the other number right side, this side. Okay, the answer is 7. So, and then you will take this one to the other side as addition. X over 10 equals to 20 plus 7, which is going to be x over 10 equals to 27. And then after this, you can do cross multiply. This is over 1. You multiply this by this, this by this. It will give you x times 1, x equals to 10 times 27, which is 270. So if you don't want to do cross multiply, you could do like this too. This x over 10 is x divided by 10 equals to 27. And you take this one to the other side as multiplication. X will be 27 times 10, which is 270. Again, it is up to you to use whether this or this. So if 5 is subtracted from x, see another from, so we say that if say from this number will be on the left side, that which will be this side, and multiplied by 9. See, we are going to subtract 5 from x first, minus 5. Then you will take this result, the result, that's why open bracket, divided by, multiplied by 9. Don't confuse, please. You will need to put the bracket, otherwise it's going to be wrong, because you're taking the result of this one and multiplying by 8. And the answer is going to be 180. And after that, your information from linear equation, it will go to the other side as division. X minus 5 equals to 180 divided by 9, which is going to give me x minus 5 equals to 20. And then this goes to the other side as addition. X will be 20 plus 5. So x is 25. So the next question, when 24 is subtracted from 1/6 of a number. So the answer is 1. And what is this number? Now, remember what we said. If we don't know the number, we are going to give any letter. It is written a number. It could be written like the number, something like this. So as long as if you don't know the number, you just put any letter. I want to put Y for now. Remember, I told you can put any letter. So when 20 is subtract from 1/6, remember 1/6 is 1 over 6 times Y, or Y over 6. I prefer to use this. Subtract the from, this will be on the left side, Y over 6 minus 24. And the answer is 1. So after writing this one, the rest of the solution is going to be so easy. This will go to the other side as addition. Y over 6 equals to 24 plus 1, which is going to be y over 6 equals 25. After that, remember, I told you in one of the question, you can do your cross multiply, this time this, this time this. So y is going to be y times 1 equals to 25 times 6, 150. Or if you don't want to use this cross multiply, you will say that so the y over 6 is y divided by 6. These are the same thing, equals to 25, and this goes to the other side as multiplication. Y will be 25 times 6, 150 again. It's up to you to use whether this or this. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Bye.